Unveiling the Chill. Understanding Frosty Mug. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a refreshing English phrase that's sure to make you think of cool beverages and cozy settings. Frosty Mug. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or just starting out, this is a great phrase to add to your vocabulary. So grab a seat, and let's explore what makes a mug frosty. The term, frosty mug, refers to a mug that is extremely cold, often chilled in a freezer, to serve beverages like beer. The word, frosty, means covered with a thin layer of ice or extremely cold, while mug is a large cup with a handle, typically used without a saucer. When combined, these words conjure up the image of an ice-cold mug, perfect for serving a refreshing drink. Why do people love a frosty mug? It's all about the experience. A frosty mug keeps drinks colder for longer, enhancing the flavor, especially in the case of beers and ales. It's not just a mug, it's a promise of a refreshing sip every time. When you see a frosty mug, you can almost feel the coolness just by looking at it, making it an experience that engages multiple senses. You can use the phrase, frosty mug, in everyday conversations, especially when talking about beverages or describing a refreshing experience. For example, you might say, after a long day, all I want is to relax with a frosty mug of my favorite beer. It's a casual phrase that adds a touch of vivid imagery to your chats. So there you have it. A frosty mug is more than just a cold cup. It's a small luxury, a way to enhance your drink and enjoy a moment of relaxation. We hope this video has given you a cool new addition to your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay frosty.